And in theory, we should be streaming. Studio mode. Give me a test. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I can hear you. Or it can hear you. I can't hear you, but I see your levels going up and down. It says view on watch page. It should be ingestion settings. Well, the good news is if it's this fucking hard, then you know. Right. It says stream status is good. We're preparing your live stream preview. Wait a moment. Preview. Please be work. And come on. Health is good, but I'm looking at a black screen, Darren. Oh, of course, because we haven't started the show yet. So let's hit the intro into a fade in. I don't even know, man. I think we played the intro, but I'm not seeing it. It says we're live, but I'm just seeing a black screen. And it says it's waiting for it. Oh, no. We are on. We are actually streaming, Darren. Darren, look at this. Oh man, after a nightmare of technical difficulties, welcome to Very Dad Ideas, the show where your audio sucks, but okay. Oh no, because I'm listening. No, it's good. I'm listening to you on the phone because I can't hear you. Anyways, welcome to the show. We're here 20 minutes late because we suck, or specifically I suck. I'm here with everything does. Everything. Dude, we are now streaming. This is a huge technical achievement. So my name's Nye. I'm here with Darren. We are doing a show every Thursday at 9:30 ish. Darren, what is our topic this week? In fact, my wife is cooking while we're streaming, so that's where our life is. So is our topic marriage? Is that what this is? The dishwasher. So it's like it's what everyone who fights what the or yeah. It was all just doing this. Yeah. So if I understand this correctly, what you're saying is that there's a conflict between you and your wife because you use the dishwasher whenever you feel that you should just, and she just like packs it crazy. So my question to you is, do you have one of those magnets that says clean or dirty that you have to flip back and forth, or is, yeah, well, just like because I always have the problem. I have the problem that like, would you, yeah, right. But I go in, I say, hey, is it clean? Is it dirty? And I open the thing, and is it? Oh, it looks clean. But then there's always like one glass that has this like smudge all over it, and you're like, oh, it must be dirty. So you run the whole thing again, and you have no idea whether or not. So it sounds like dishwashers and right. Okay, so when you're talking, like you should set you up like like can you see you maybe like swoosh just a little bit to that way. That's it. You must be like you're already in the top at least 4% of the world, I think. Mm. So so okay. That was your first rant. How did it feel? Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, let's do a bump. Let's see if I can get the bump to work. In fact, I might just play the intro again. Um, and oh, dude, you know that I'm just gonna have like symbol transformer symbols moving and lasers moving. I mean, that's what that's what this show's gonna be. All right. So let me see if I can try the intro again, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna do a live draw. And then we'll see if this. Okay, so let's see if this goes. Okay, and boom. All right, so this is we're now in our live draw setup, as you can see. And Darren, you should be able to see my screen too. Can you see? Totally blank, but you can see in real time me drawing now, right? So this is, folks, this is a first for us because usually it was like on my old computer, you were watching me like draw, and then it would take 8 minutes for it to update. It's like, So with our lead-in of dishwashers and conflict resolution, let's say we should be making a dishwasher, or I'm gonna just start drawing a kitchen and we'll see how it goes from there. Maybe a maybe a maybe a dad unloading the dishes. What is what what is this thing about Alexa? Did you is this, yeah. Uh-huh. I, the what buttons? The oh yeah, I mean now that we've been hijacked by Amazon in this live stream because of Darren. Um, um, it's true. I th- I think Amazon is going to be like it's going to be tracking your what your habits are, and then just going to be like, oh, we noticed that you buy pants every Thursday, and they're just going to send you pants on Thursday, and say if you don't like it. So if we're going to do something about Amazon, we need to draw drones because I feel like that's going to be the future. Right. So this was just a dad emptying the dishwasher. So this is Darren. Um, you just actively use the dishwasher because you're sick right now, right? How did that happen? As he asks knowingly how you're sick with two kids, right? Exactly. That, well, I mean, did you? What is this? So this is the. It's okay. That's what this is for. Oh yeah, yeah. They're like when you have to wait in line, but you can't buy booze there as long as you're not buying booze. Yes. Yeah. Oh, of course. You mean right? Yeah. I mean there is something like to be said for you taking the thing and going boop, and then like knowing, placing the thing in the it's good. Yeah. There's a Ralph's right across from where I work, and I always go and I get like sushi or some shit or whatever, and um, our favorite quote right now, the running quote is, I decided to draw you interfacing with the automated checkout here. As we, yes, that's true. Oh, really? Right. Uh huh. Ooh, damn. And you were like putting the fast one on you. This is the auto checker giving you the emoji wink. Basically, is what's happening. And this is Darren and the auto checker. We should. You know what? We really should come up with a cartoon for you, man. Like a Darren, like just like a shorthand for me to be able to like, or you know what we were talking about. This is like since we decided that this show is going to be about like fatherhood. Really, we need like the generic dad character that we should come up with, and maybe the live draws is putting him in it. We totally need to go to Met. Yeah. Are you gonna do glasses? I think that I think that adds to the authenticity. Um, I do have one thing I want to before we kill out. I thought you said you wanted to try to do a tie, right? Like see like I mean let's see if we can experiment. We'll see if we can experiment and then we'll wrap it up because I know you're kind of a trooper for so what is that? Is it's like you know, buy some shit, or is it like, oh, you're not giving away like, trade secrets of whatever the teleprompter did. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You're gonna go in like it's a comedy about prisons and that hits on a very emotional and visceral level. So so I have a tie here for you that we're gonna try this out. So my question though is am I still a good conversationalist despite despite being like half like maybe 60% present when I'm drawing? I'm kind of like what. So in the let's add the tie to this guy, and we'll try this out. This will be the big and then maybe I'll ask you to do something stream elements, or is it in show layers? Oh no, it's in a different place. Oh man. Ah, PNG are. Oh yeah, I mean tie. Okay, so you want to stand like that, and we're gonna trade, and we're gonna go live. Boom! There you go. I don't know. Dude, fucking fantastic. We should absolutely have little, like, we should absolutely have like little, you should be like a place for you in the screen, and then I can like draw a little shit around you. Yeah. Yeah. And also, I'm definitely, we'll pipe some character. It might just be Shock Dave moving around and going, oh, whatever, and then like we can cut to that and move that. But okay, so really bumpy first 20 minutes, folks. As in, like, in fact, we're still bumpy, right? Like, I'm listening to you on the phone, and yeah. Tap. Good, man. But we're still going live. Oh, there's a delay, but we're still going live. And I think that this recorded. I think it did. So, real quick, we just moved from prototyping to my shitty Mac to this brand new rig. As you can see, we're streaming much better. We're going to figure the audio out. We're going to be doing some live drawing. Darren and I are developing the dad report is what we're calling it. Is that right? Yeah, and that we're going to do a sort of like a, ooh, I like it, the Very Dad Report. I chatted with Jen about getting some music and stuff, so I feel like, yeah. And for our like 2.5 viewers, or maybe just when Darren and I watch us later, this section on the right hand side here, or I guess the left hand side of the screen, is going to be where we're going to have people able to contribute, and so we're going to have a community, and it's all going to be great. So 10:20, Darren's got to get to bed. We were hoping that this would be a 45-minute show, so I think we're going to wrap this one up. This was not sweet, but this is fine. To do this shit. Yeah. We need to have a conversation about how we're gonna like put your set. I mean, maybe you put green screen with like a green board around you, and we just knock it out, and I could like fuck around behind you and stuff. That would be hilarious. Maybe we should do that. So stick around to Very Dad Ideas. Follow us. We have the website verydadideas.com, where the YouTube channel, the Twitter, all that kind of stuff. We're not going to really start doing this for real until probably January, but this is all prototype. If you want to come in and join us and see my wife walk by, Thursday nights at 9:30. If of the dads. Okay. And it's an educational show, apparently. So, okay, let's call it, man. Good work, man, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.